so multiplying polynomials. There are two ways you can do this. One way is FOIL. That's first, outer, inner, last. So what that is you do your first terms. So 2n times 6n, 2 times 6 is 12, n times n is n squared. You do your outer terms, so 2n and 1, 2n times 1 is 2n. Then you do your inner terms, 2 times 6 is 12, and then you have an n. And then your last two terms, so 2 times 1 is 2. Combine like terms, which would be 2n and 12n. So 2n plus 12n gives us 14n, and then the other ones fall in line. Just make sure that you leave it in standard form, which is ax squared plus bx plus c. You want to leave it in descending order always. The other way is by using the box method. And for those of you who have taken science before, it's also like the Punnett square. So we do 2n and 2 on the top, and 6n and 1 on the side. And it doesn't matter, we could have done 6 and 1 on top and 2 and 2 on the other side. It doesn't matter. So then what we do is we have 2n and 6n. 2 times 6 is 12n squared. Then we have our 6n and 2 make 12n. Then we have 1 and 2n gives us 2n. And then 1 and 2 give us 2. And then we circle our like terms, which are 2n and 12n. And then we just list them out. We have 12n squared, 12n and 2n are alike, and you get 14n. And then add 2 to the n. Either way, you get the same answer. So let's look at another problem. We'll do the box method again. Draw your box. We'll do 3m and negative 1 on top, 8m and positive 7 on the side. So again, 3m, 8m and 3m, 8 times 3 gives us 18, m times n gives us m squared. Then we do 8m times negative 1, and you get negative 8m. We have 7 and negative 3m. 7 times 3 is 21, and m is there. And then we have 7 and negative 1 gives us negative 7. So again, you're going to circle the like terms, which is 21 and negative 8. So we're left with 18m squared plus 13m minus 7, and this is your final answer. We'll do one more, but we'll now have a trinomial. So we've now got a binomial and a trinomial. We just need our box to be a little bit bigger. I personally like putting the trinomial on top, but again, it doesn't matter how you do it. So we're going to do 2n times n squared. So 2n times n squared is n cubed. We add our exponents. So we get 2 times 6 gives us 12, and n times n gives us n squared. Then we have 2n times negative 4 gives us negative 8n. Then we have negative 4 and n squared just gives us negative 4n squared. We have negative 4 and negative 6n gives us negative 24n. And then we have negative 4 and negative 4, which gives us negative times negative gives us positive 16. So we have 2n cubed. Combine like terms, we have negative 4n squared and a positive 12n squared, which gives us a positive 8n squared. Then we have a negative 24n and a negative 8n, giving us negative 32n. and we're left with a positive 16 at the end. So this is how you multiply polynomials, whether it's a binomial, trinomial, or whatever.